Hi there. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to export the site we've created. In the notes they recommend exporting to Business Catalyst. With our subscription at Langara, however, we don't have that option. So I'm going to export to HTML, which is a very standard website configuration. So if I choose this drop down, export as HTML, it asks for a site URL. You could just type in any old thing. I'll just type in any old thing. .com, and it's going to put it into your documents Muse export, which is a good place for it. And I'll choose OK. And I choose OK, and then it previews it in a browser. So here's what my site actually looks like. Now, in order to actually see the phone version, you have to have it on a web server. So what you'll need to do is get yourself a host. There's free hosting available via 000 web host. I'll just put that in a notepad session here. Just so you can hear what I'm saying. 000 web host. They'll give you free hosting. And then what you do, they provide a public folder for you to upload your files in. So you'll go log into your area of 000 web host, open up the file manager, and then if you look at the contents of our Muse export, there it is there. That's the entire website right there. So you would just grab all of this stuff and put it onto your web server. And then when you visit the URL, you'll see the actual website. So let me just quickly demonstrate that. I'm going to connect to my website, go to the file manager. I'm going to create a folder for this website, and then I'll visit it on the web and you can see what we do. So I've logged into my web server. You'll see this is a very common file manager. So I created a new folder called Muse. It's on public_HTML. Notice it's presently empty. I'm just going to move it to one side so I can get my Windows file manager. There it is there. Now I'm just going to drag everything into that. So if I choose upload, so the easiest way to upload this stuff is to zip it all up into a zip file and then unpack it on the server. Otherwise I have to create all of these folders, go inside of them, and then upload everything individually. So what I'm going to do is just grab all of that stuff, right click, and choose send to compress zipped folder, and I'll call it files. Now I'll just drag that file onto my file manager. Try that again. And then it should say files.zip successfully uploaded. So I can go back to Muse, and now I'm just going to extract it. So if I right click, if I select that and I choose extract, and that's where it's going to extract, I'll say extract files, and I choose close. Now you see it has all of those folders and all of the files within those folders. So that's my favorite way to move a directory. Now if I go to that location on the internet, so it's motorama.net Muse, And you can visit this yourself and you can see what the results are, so that you don't need to have a server. So that's what it looks like on the internet. If I visit that on my phone, I should get the phone version. I'm just going to pause. So I just visited on my phone, and I find I do indeed get that phone layout that we created. So you can see it there as well. If you go on your phone to motorama.net Muse, you'll see the phone layout that we created. So there's a detection script that detects what type of device you're looking at that site on, and then it'll give you a particular site that's particular to the device. Don't worry about doing this for an assignment. I won't actually assign this to you for marks, but it's just for your own interest. Thanks so much for watching.